Dawn Powerwash. I've gone through a few of these and I refilled. You can see how old it is from me holding it. And I'm almost out, I gotta refill, but watch me clean the grate of my air fryer. I'm gonna try to show you as best I can here on the video. This is the Typher Dome 2, by the way. Probably need a scrubber, it'd be a little bit better, but I don't want it to be too loud for the video. You can see those pieces are just coming right off. Obviously I'm not putting enough like elbow grease as I normally would, but look, you can see all that came off so fast.
I decided to switch to a real scrubber that can get in between the holes even better. And I just set the camera up so you can see, and now I'm rinsing, so easy.
This was brown before. Okay, it works.
Dawn Powerwash, my friends.